What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Wolfie here, and I'm back with a brand new video. If you already clicked on the title, you already know what it is. Let's go ahead and start this video.
Ooh, is it you saucy?
What's up, ladies? Let's go ahead and get into this quick, easy tutorial. Let me give you all the materials that you'll need. First things first, you'll need a heat protectant and a flat iron. Make sure that your hair is straightened out. It's going to help the ponytail look really nice and slick. Next thing, you're going to need is some wax pomade. That's going to help your hair lay flat, along with some type of hairspray. I'm using Got To Be Glue today, and a handy dandy blow dryer to set your hair as well. Some regular gel, a brush, and a comb. Simple as that. And you'll also, of course, need a ponytail or a hair tie. Alright, let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. So first things first, you're going to want your hair again to be flat ironed and combed out. Right now, I'm going to just make a very simple straight part. And you can see that I started by the beginning of my eyebrow all the way back. I'm going to do like, let's say 3/4 of a part on my head. And I'm just going to go ahead and define and make it straight, as you guys can see right here. Boom. Voila. Magic. Okay. So we're just going to do the same thing on the other side. But like I said, it is 3/4 of a quarter on my head. So of course I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Again, beginning from my eyebrow in the front. And then I'm going to just make a straight part back. And from there, that's already given us 3 sections. This is how quick and easy this ponytail is. So we're just going to put the front middle section away, just so we can make sure that our parts are even and straight and crisp enough. Okay, now all jokes aside, let's get back to being serious. We're gonna go ahead and gel our hair down. So I'm using my brown gel and my Mary's beeswax gel to slick down each part of my hair. And you're gonna need a hard brush to really slick your hair down. But the best part of using a hard brush, soft gel, and beeswax is that they are very easy. It's a really good, easy combination to tame the thickest amount of hair, y'all. The brown gel helps my hair kind of like soften, like if I was putting water on it. And then the beeswax really helps it form its mold and sleekness into a specific lay down, like serious lay down, okay? So as you can see, I'm mixing it all together, and I'll also be putting it around all my hair so I can make sure this ponytail is slick and good. Alright. Now I'm going to take off my ponytail one more time so I can make it tighter, so I can really pull back my hair so it can lay down as flat as possible. And then we'll be moving on to our last part, which is our middle. And I'll be adding the gel on there again and brushing it back. And see how it just like laid down so easily, and it's shiny. Like that was the effect we was going for completely. So after that, we're just going to put that together with the first ponytail that we made. And then I'm going to add my ponytail. This is a braiding hair ponytail. If you guys do want a tutorial on that, I have a tutorial. I'll put the thumbnail up there. And I'm going to be now adding hairspray so my hair can set in place. And I'm going to be blow drying it on low heat for a good 5 to 7 minutes. If you want to, you can put on a scarf, but my hair was already dried, so it was straight. Now, I'm trying a new styling method. I'm taking out all my baby hairs, and I'm trying like the Jada Wada method. She always I always see her with like the curled edges, but I wanted to test out how good the curled edges kind of help your hair lay back when you actually want to do like some serious wave edges and cute styles with that. So here we're going to be testing it out. Honestly, I thought it was like a really cute little farm girl type of vibe. Yes, I'm going to be doing this hairstyle or this method on my hair more often. But y'all, if y'all learn something from this video, look how shook I am. Do this method when you want to lay down your baby hairs and do your edges, because y'all, it is the truth. Look at my reaction. I fell in love with this method. This is how I'm going to be doing my edges all the time now. My hair was laying down so nicely and the waves were just forming it was just that. It was it. I definitely recommend. It's a 10 out of 10.
Alright, so I'll be back tomorrow with the finished look because I messed up my edges by trying to spray got to be glue spray on it, and it got it wet instead of setting them. I mean, it looks fine to be honest, but it's just not bare just yet, and my edges really need to be done all over again. So stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe if you got to this point. And comment down below anything you guys would like to see on my channel. I know it's been a minute since I've been on here, but I thought this was such a cute, simple hairstyle, and I wanted to try, and I just had to videotape it for a tutorial. I'm just getting over COVID again, y'all. So I get to go to work after 6, 7, almost 8 days, basically 8 days actually. I have not been out the house. I haven't been to work. So because my hair was a mess and it looked worse before I even before y'all saw it, it looked even worse. But I finally get to do my hair. So you already know what's up. It's time to get cute all over again. I can deal with that, you know. But if you guys like this, remember to follow us on our hair page. I will be having my hair company launch soon. You guys can follow me on my Instagram too. It is at ILoveYou2XO, as in, you know, the YouTube handle. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Y'all, quick little montage of the hair. Okay.
So that is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next video. Love you guys so much. Remember, God loves you too. Wolfie out.